Expensify Money Management App Review, Usage Experience. This is the Expensify Money Management App Review, Usage Experience, and I've added links to the product in the description below. Expensify is a powerful expense tracking and money management app, primarily designed for businesses, freelancers, and anyone who needs to track expenses for work-related purposes. While it's not a personal budgeting app in the traditional sense, its features are extremely valuable for keeping business spending organized, especially when you need to submit expense reports or reimburse employees. Expensify's core feature is its receipt scanning, where you simply take a photo of a receipt, and the app uses OCR technology to automatically pull key details like merchant name, date, and amount. This makes expense logging almost instant, eliminating the need for manual entry. For professionals, Expensify's Smart Scan feature can categorize expenses according to your company policies or personal tags, making expense tracking highly automated. If you travel for work, Expensify also tracks mileage and foreign currency expenses, converting them into your preferred currency. The app also allows linking credit cards so your transactions automatically flow into your expense reports. One standout feature is its approval workflow, which makes it perfect for teams. Employees submit expenses through the app, and managers can approve or reject them directly. Expensify also offers reimbursement features, meaning companies can reimburse employees directly through the app via ACH payments, saving time for both parties. While the app is ideal for business-related money management, it's less suited for day-to-day personal budgeting because it's designed around expense reporting, rather than building budgets or tracking savings goals. However, for freelancers and self-employed users, it works well to track business spending for tax deductions. Overall, Expensify excels in expense automation, receipt management, and seamless reporting, making it perfect for businesses, freelancers, and corporate teams. If you need a tool to track work expenses, manage reimbursements, and simplify tax prep, Expensify is one of the best options out there. For regular personal budgeting, you might want to consider a dedicated budgeting app instead. If you want to try Expensify or learn more, check the product links in the description.